Hey folks, I have a 5-string banjo to show you today. I really am pleased with this one because it also just reminds me of my first good banjo I ever had, because this is a walnut 5-string with a 12-inch rim. So in this case we've got a block rim made of walnut with a little pistachio rim cap and a brass tone ring on the top. Armrest here too. The neck is walnut with a light colored maple stripe. Beautiful knot down here in the neck that I really like. And then we've got pistachio up front here. Here we've got a little dragonfly inlay requested by the customer. And then a beautiful pistachio fretboard that's got a graft in it. So pistachio is an orchard tree and those are often grafted, so that's what we've got there. And man, I'm having fun playing this banjo. It's like as loud as a maple banjo for sure, but it's got like some cool detailed grittiness to it and a dark funk that I really like, and just a reminder how great Walnut is. Yeah, it's really cool. So this one is number 920, and it's off to Lewis. Thank you. Cheers.